Today I'll be talking to you about choosing the right kind of plant for you. So, you're at the plant store, you see so many plants and flowers all around, it's hard to make that decision. So think about these following things. Number one, do you want to have a flower or a green plant? Something to think about. A flower most likely will bloom and then die. A flower is not going to be something that you can have for years and years unless you don't mind the flower blooming, dying, and then blooming again if it's the right kind of flower. You can also get a plant such as this one. This plant never flowers, but it keeps growing. So if you want a plant that's going to grow and give your house or your home a lot of character, you'll get something like this one. If you want a plant that will grow very, very quickly, like a paperwhite, it's going to grow fast, it's going to shoot up and give off a very, very great smell, but then once it's in full bloom, it'll probably only last you a week, and then it'll die. So they're very temporary plants. Sometimes you might just want that. So when choosing a plant, just think about the kind of plant that you know you can take care of. You're going to want to think about, do I want this plant to be around for a long time? Or do I want a really vibrant, colorful flower for a short amount of time?